Alright, ladies and gents, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to swap a Kaspa for USDT and send it back to the exchange. So if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing and let's hop into the tutorial now. So we are on the main Tangem's page and of course our beloved Kaspa is here. Once we click on Kaspa and would like to take out some profits out of Tangem, we've got three options: receive, send and swap. I am going to hit swap, so let's have a look. I will hit swap. It's pretty much straightforward from here. Besides stablecoins, you can swap Kaspa for other cryptos. However, I will hit USDT on Tether. So as you can see guys over here, I've got USDT on Tether. Once you do the same, you will see the transaction fees, and once you are happy with the displayed numbers, then you click on the keyboard down button and click on swap. You will have to scan your Tangem wallet by placing the card on the back of your phone in order to approve the transaction. So you are probably wondering why I have USDT on Tether and on Solana and you possibly have something else. Well, I do have USDT on Tether because that's what I'm personally okay with while sending the Tether back to MEXC exchange that I'm using. But of course, you can use another exchanges too. If you would like to swap your Kaspa on other coin to USDT, you will have to know what chain you need. And you will have to know that by checking on the exchange that you are using. So let's go to MEXC and I will show you what I mean. So that's the part of my spot holding section on MEXC, and once I click deposit, then in the next window I can pick what assets I would like to deposit. I will click on USDT and after that I will have to pick the same network that I'm using on Tangem. So you must pick the same network. I cannot tell you which network to use. It all depends on what exchange you are using and what options you have in terms of networks while depositing USDT into exchange of your favor. And this is what I meant by the network. So of course we might have it on Ethereum, BNB, Tron, Algorand and Polygon. So again, I'm personally using Tron, but again, you can use whatever you like. Of course, Ethereum is the most expensive chain, so the fees are going to be the highest on Ethereum. So I'm trying to avoid Ethereum at all costs personally. So once you pick the right network, you will see a QR code below or the wallet number on its own. So once you got this opened, you go to your phone and open the Tangem app. Click on USDT, in my case USDT on Tether, then click on send. Then you will see a window in which you have to type the address number and option to scan the QR code that you will see on the exchange. You simply scan it or copy and paste the wallet address and wait for a couple of minutes. The speed of the transaction will depend on the network you're using and how congested the network is at the time. Once you are waiting for your USDT to be fully deposited on your exchange, that is something that you should see on your Tether basically. So my money is already away, but we can see over here the icon transfer. I have hidden all of my wallet address, etc. And that's in order to prevent any kind of, hacks and potentially malicious activities, towards, my channel, etc. So you do have to forgive me that layer of security, guys. However, you can clearly see that there's going to be transfer and below that there's going to be your wallet address, and that will mean that the transaction is currently ongoing and you will have to wait at this point. And now I almost forget, if you want to add USDT on different networks, go back to the main page and then click on manage tokens. After that, you are going to see this screen. Click on Tether and then you will see USDT built on different networks. Make sure that you add and swap USDT that is matching network availability on the exchange that you are currently using. I hope this helps. And a quick reminder that with my discount code you can get minus 10% on your Tangem purchase. Peace and love, crypto.